Hi and welcome. Welcome 52 art journals. So I think last week I didn't post, but we've got a bonus for this week, and I'm going to hopefully try and do this every week. So for every new video, every new journal that I show you, actually do a page in it. So I'm going to show you this journal. It was just it's made from cards, and what I did was stick it with masking tape in the middle, and then I've decorated it with tissue paper. Should we come in a bit? I decorated it with tissue paper. This is fabric, like a, what do you call it, ribbon, and I've used like a homemade stamp to give you that design. We've got blue, this is my favourite colour, and gold, and this is a page I'm going to show you how I made it. So that's what we're going to do today, but let me show you through the art journal. So I'll probably be using this one for the 29 faces. If you look up 29 faces on Instagram, it's like a daily 29 faces for the month of September, and it's organised by Alaya Art. And in it, what I did was, when I made this journal, I just ran through it really quickly and laid down colour, and then another day I came to it and I laid down, I drew some outlines of images, and then another day I came in and just put, oh, let me just put some yellow here, you know, orange here. So I now have to go in and I want to complete these faces, and these are the ones that I want to do for the 29 faces. I'm starting part way through, so I won't have 29 faces, but I've probably done more than 29 faces over time. I do like creating faces and images. So as I say, I just went through this and I thought, okay, I can see a little figure here, let me do that. And oh, let me just do a face here. Now, some of them may not end up being what I've got here. This is a lady with a child. Some of them may look very different when I finish, so, but that's fine. So that's this little, it's, as I say, it's just a selection of cards. I can't even remember whether I don't think I stitched it. No, I didn't. I was just, let me double check. Let me go to the middle. Nope. So what I did was use the masking tape. This was one of the easiest journals that I've made, and then I added a jigsaw piece. I covered it with tissue, and again, you know, if you've got cards just sitting around, I mean, what you might want to do is add stitching, but I was just, you know, I just want to make a quick art journal, and so put this together. So let us now go and make this page, and I hope that that's been an inspiration for this week, that you can grab some cards that you may have, use the masking tape. So what I did was, okay, so you've got, these are two cards, so I would have put the masking tape here, and then I put another card, put the masking tape, another card, put the masking tape, until I got to the middle. Yeah, and then did the same going to the back. I got my jigsaw piece, added that to the front, covered it with tissue paper, and then added paint, and then created this. So you'll probably see more of this art journal over the weeks as I create some of the faces, finish off some of the faces. And yeah, let's check out this one. You will see what it looked like before I started. So you'll see what that page looked like before I started. And I love the transformation as well. That's what really gets me. I love it. And yeah, so let's get going.